Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would do sort of like a outfit lookbook on how I would style black and white office looks, that type of thing. So these looks are very safe for, say, interviews, or if you don't know what to wear to the office, black and white and that sort of colour scheme, it's very safe, you're not going to go wrong, you're going to look really smart. So there's just a few sort of guidelines to follow when in the office. Every office is different, but if you want to be safe and you don't know the guidelines, I would say shoulders covered, chest covered, nothing too short, so make sure it's either just above the knee or below, trousers, that type of thing. And it's just really, if you look smart, it shouldn't be a problem. And black, whites and greys, that sort of, you know, array of colours, you're going to look really smart, and it's just a very professional look. So that's what today's lookbook is going to be. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get to it.
I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? I think I sing it again. 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 Let me see that. No second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? All night long. I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? All night long. Let me see that. Baby, want you. That. I like it when the beat go. Baby, make your booty go. Let me see that. Make your booty go. That's like what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, I think I sing it again. 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 Let me see that. No second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? All night long. I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, we what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? All night long. Let me see that. Baby, want you. That. I like it when the beat go. Baby, make your booty go. Let me see that. Baby, want you. That. I like it when the beat go. Baby, make your booty go. what, what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what, what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? I think I sing it again. 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 Let me see that. No second truck. That's like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what? Baby, move your butt. I think I sing it again. She had no second truck. That's like what?